Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, what about this delicious cake with apple, chocolate, and cinnamon? Just a fantastic mix. And we're gonna start blending all our dry ingredients. We're gonna start adding the flour. As you see, I leave you the quantities just down on the description. Right now, we're gonna add our sugar, and we're gonna start mixing it slowly. We just need to get all together the dried ingredients. Right now we got our baking powder and our baking soda, and of course our scent might be coming, and vanilla sugar. This is just one vanilla sugar. It's around 7 grams if I remember correctly. Now it's time for our cinnamon. There you are, just slowly, because it's a very powder and it can be kind of smoky in the kitchen, so be careful while adding the cinnamon and of course the chocolate as well. They are very thin, and so just carefully add it, just a little bit. You don't want to mess all your kitchen with cinnamon and chocolate, of course. Yeah. So those are our dried ingredients. We are gonna mix them as you just see it, just quite simple. And then we are gonna add slowly our eggs, just like you see, one by one, and until we get the 5 eggs we're using. Then we're gonna add our oil, like you see, slowly until we finish it. Yeah. And we got some vanilla paste. We are of course adding to our oven tray just a little bit of fat. This case I'm using coconut oil. We're gonna start peeling off our apples, as you may see, and we are gonna cut them very well, not very small, but small pieces, like you may see in the video right now. And after we cut it, we add them to our mix, and we're gonna mix it all together by hand, just by hand. Of course, you may just see it now carefully with a knife, of course, just like you see, just slowly, but carefully, just like you see in the video. And we're gonna mix it all together until we have the 5 apples I'm using. Yeah, just like you see. And now have a look, just by hand. You don't want to use the machine for it, otherwise you will have a mess, because the apples will get too much juice, and we want that juice to stay on the apple, and while baking it, there will be just the texture we are looking for at the end. This is a very moisture cake, and it's very tasty. So now we're gonna just finish it up in our tray. Yeah, just carefully remove all the excess of air we got on the tray, just heating it a little bit, just a few times. And it's very important to have the oven just cold. We just needed to bake to introduce our cake with a cold oven. It's very important. Yeah. And now the temperature, I'm gonna show you right now. It will bake around the first hour, and after 1 hour we're gonna check it. And I add 10 or 15 minutes extra here. Yeah, this is 170 degrees, and just like that. And then you don't open the oven at the beginning, just let it cool down a little bit. And then we just need to add some deco. I'm using some sugar, and for my daughter some butterflies as well, as you may see. Yeah. So I hope you like it. This recipe is very nice. It's a very old recipe from my family, from my wife. That her auntie did many years ago, and it's very nice because it's very tasty, very flavorful, and very moisture inside with the apples. So I hope you like it. Take care and enjoy the journey.